What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto, a channel all about technical analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. I came across a couple videos about Bitcoin that Bitcoin is a huge, was it? Huge gain in November. So I like to do some price predictions of where Bitcoin is going to be at by end of November, and hopefully I'll be able to give you guys some information on where the price is going to be. So without further ado, let's get into it. I don't want to keep you guys as wasting your time here. So first things first, I'd like to point out where is the our bumps. And what I mean by bumps is where are the prices where it's kind of like the market's going up and then it goes back down, goes up, goes back down, right? So as you can see multiple bumps here. So one's right here, one right here. Okay, we're just gonna put out a few here. We don't want to go too crazy with the horizontal lines. A best way to see where the horizontal lines are is switching it to line, and feel free to adjust it where the endpoints are. So make sure they're aligned. Okay, at the tipping point. All right, cool. So it looks good on my end. And let's go ahead and look at this is the one day the daily chart. I'm trying to see the 4 hour here. Now let's go look at the daily real quick. All right, cool. So first things first, I'd like to start off where the trend is going. Of course, it's in the uptrend here. And second, we like to use our Fibonacci retracement from the recent higher low to a higher high. So this is the recent higher low, and we'll put it at the very top of the wick, right? So this Fibonacci retracement is really solid, and you could tell by where the market structure is at. So it hit of course, it hit the top, right? And then it went all the way down to the 0.618. And usually the 0.618, 0.5, that's where you want to be at. I said this multiple other times, but get that in your head. And right now is at the 0.618. Now went up. Now it's hovering over the 0.5, right? So the goal for this price needs to break out of this resistance, right? Because it was a false breakout and went back down, right? So, but looking from right to left, there was a bump here, right? So it did made a false breakout and went back up. So it's in this little consolidating area here between this resistance and this support. So what the price needs to do is break out of this resistance here, right? And then from there, it will need to retest and then hopefully continue going back up. Usually that's it will happen. Majority of the time that will happen, right? It will have to break out, retest, and then go back up. And I did this price analysis maybe like 4 or 5 days ago for Bitcoin, and how I had it before is it was try to break through this resistance here, and then it went back down, and now it's going back up. So it looked like this, my previous Bitcoin price prediction. So I removed it. Like I said, I usually like to start from scratch, but I don't want to confuse you guys, so that's why I created a new fresh start. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is let's go ahead and see where the next price prediction is going to be. Is at the 0.5 area. I usually like to put it there. So we might see a potential 80,000 by this month. A lot of people think it's gonna be 100,000 by end of this year, but maybe 80 this month, and maybe another 20,000 more, which is the 100,000 in December. So November always has promising results for the past couple years for Bitcoin. So we might potentially see it. So that's really, really exciting for all the Bitcoin investors out there. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to put it on the comments down below. I like to hear you guys' input and your guys' price predictions, or what you what you guys find. Please keep me educated, and I will do the same exact thing on my end, and keep cranking out these technical analysis and keep updating you guys on my price predictions. Okay, hope this video helps out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.